Hi everybody, it's 12:24 and 7 seconds on June 13th. This is the drawing for the Marvel Superheroes number 12, which is the first Captain Marvel, and the Captain Marvel number 1. Over here on the left-hand side are the 14 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 13, lucky 13 for somebody. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 13th roll will win the books. They will ship out on Thursday, June 14th. Good luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is the final one coming up. 13, spot 3, the last spot that was filled, Jason Johnson. Congratulations. Time is 12:25 and 6 seconds.